Hey everyone, it's Alien Da Vinci. I'm excited because I just made a new purchase, so this will be like an open box again in the ninth matrix. But this is one of my biggest open box videos that I've made so far. Also, this is going to be introducing a new project that I'm including in the ninth matrix manifestation studio, so I'm really excited about that. The last thing I brought up was the update of the stargazing that I'll be doing when it comes spring and it becomes summer again, and the adventures that I'll be having when I get to going outdoors. But this next open box that I got coming is gonna be great. So we got this package that just showed up. Looks like I have to drop it off. Try not to get it spilled. But so the best way to get this damn thing out.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Stroke until I have everything, I attack everything that...
When we were taking the bike out of the frame here, the UPS guy snuck up with my helmet and one of my jackets that I purchased. Let's check it out. This looks like my actual tank bag for the motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
So this, I told you guys, is gonna be the Indigo Star Cruiser. It's gonna be my getaway, my bug out, when I go on my fishing trips, my stargazing little trips and stuff like that. So I'm gonna need something to carry some equipment with me, and this is one of the things that I purchased to help me do that. And I'm hoping that this is a good fit for this bike. And this is I lied, this is my jacket.
I'm dead.
It just looks, everything I got matches, so all of the color sequences are gonna look a lot like this. But this is my alpha jacket.